Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login 8. In this guide video, I will show you how to change currency on CoinMarketCap app. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open CoinMarketCap application. Make sure you're logged into your account. You can see over here CoinMarketCap application has been opened. Initially, you'll be led to this kind of interface. Right now, you're in the markets interface. Right now, if you see the prices over here, all my prices are being displayed in dollars. So if you want to change the currency, what you have to do is tap on the profile icon that you can see at the top right corner of your screen. Now you can see over here, you'll be led to this kind of interface. You'll be able to find various options like theme, language, default currencies, widgets, etc. Simply tap on this option, default currencies. Right now USD is selected. You'll be able to find other currencies as well. So simply tap on the currency that you want to change to. Now after doing that, go back, the changes will be saved. Now in the markets interface, you can see over here all the price are being displayed in the euro. That means the currency has been changed. So that is how you change currency on CoinMarketCap app. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.